When Ghana, you want more government institutions, but the one government institution ubetimi a trust in Ghana Fire Service.
For the
the care and love they have for the job they do, it's unmatched to any other government institution in Ghana. What you say? Say Ghana Police, Ghana Armed Forces, and not even Ghana Prison Service. Now you can see these men wake up every single day with the mindset to say they are going to do something that will help the Ghanaian, help stop anything relating to, fire na asena ekwoso ebesaya man for cars, a man for down, man for japade. These are the men at WBS presume. Now, because of their dedication to the work they do, no just be a drube, be no more, so more dum no. It doesn't matter. Say ye Mokola market and not say ye Kejetia. Now, most of the times, these men and women in the Ghana Fire Service, they use any and every apparatus in their arsenal. It doesn't matter the length they have. They must go through to make sure say Jana Echi baby no ebedum.
We yes you are 25th December. And now ya we yes obi fie chemwe passes for the general omudum ejana omutimwe. Mo hwa kwa passes for Ghana passes omo fa so adumuja. Mo enio obu nso ni waka ni ma no de agupan mu. No akohwe Ghana Fire Service. We mu nyina agi aban katua mo kwasase me koso Ghana. Mo
na se we nyina happy we are. They have the correct and very uniquely intelligent people. They will talk to the press and make valid points in their favor and also the truth and the fact. What I say? Say, they are very good at what they do. They are superb and internationally equivalent.
We heard that when the first water tender got here, they were told that they didn't have water in the water tender.
My brother, I agree with you. It's an emergency vehicle that works 24/7. And if human beings can even break down, then a fire tender that works 24/7, a machine can also break down.
Teacher Kwajobesie, piao, piao. Yeah. Ghana Fire Service, my man. What you say? I salute you guys. I'm here. And you wanna moya na nwedi ankasa. Na ni eti na yakava can say Ghana Fire Service WhatsApp. It's another video we have post online abusia. Yeah, just share be shit. And after there will be a video of how we mudum jano. And then if you look at the nature of that video now, well, you're shay. Now, what I don't get is this. What year to car, whatever it is, I come maybe I will go do ja. Jana will go do what packy car no machine baby no one. And the Janice was sure baby no one. And the will be a wounds who are woody bedroom channel. And then in zone of and in zone of Brabamu, in zone I say just and cutting imposing I say. Capito crack goes so more than chain. Ghana Fire Service, what's up? Yeah, I fail to believe that you guys equipments way na mo wa muntimin fund dumja correctly, because if that these are the equipments you guys have, then you really need to lobby to the government, the MPs, send a bay or best set aside some funds for you guys to buy proper equipment. Say betimi abuamo amoma getting your job done and done well. So what the videos I'm inserting in this short video right now, it tells you some of the little things. Now, keep in mind, this is not all what they do. Sometimes when they go to the fire, baby, they do the best work. And those videos never see the light of day. That is because if you do your job and you do it well and people are not talking, That shows you say you are doing your job well. What you say? And then there are 1 or 2 instances here. A be happen now off chance no. A man for be record or mo de be ba and no mo be gina so dia judge mo. What you say? Now this do I like say we make fun of Ghana Fire Service? No, we don't. But if that is the story that is going on, we have to talk about it. And if say maybe they need help from the government in a special way, in a special way, Abusia, they get that help because they're looking at some of the footages from the Ghana Fire Service. I just did a 10 minutes Facebook search of Ghana Fire Service, and these are the videos I'm looking at. These are the videos that are coming up. What I say? I didn't even need to try hard. Just that shows you that if I was willing to dig in deeper, I could have gotten like about 30 different separate videos. It will make my point very clear. So what I'm saying is Ghana Fire Service. If it's the personnel, now I understand that the personnel also is part of the problem because the personnel kwakotum jano. Na katuya yetuya na nye. Nti nya fe no be risking her and guys and life wholeheartedly. So they kwakotum jam. What you say? I'm not saying it's a Ghana and Ghana Fire Service for katuya nye. Even a bridge they kurama katuya nye. But at least you see there are some types of jobs say because you have mentally salary. Just say you don't care. And until I feel like some of these videos, it puts the Ghana Fire Service and they're very bad light. What you say? But if say you are doing a job that you really love to do, for example, Obi joining Emmy because of so protecting the country, that person, it doesn't matter the pay for that person, even though say the salary is also important. But aside the pay, obey your human either way. But if say the person is doing the job because of here mentally salary, it doesn't matter. That now I feel say some of these fire service personnel that is the reason why. Now the first video I can show you now the taxi taxi na fire extinguisher back. How can you use that to extinguish a fire? What you say? And the other way say musi drew or penina no or uniform. You can see Nantia is like he is not in any hurry to do anything. What you say? And then the next one who was generator, go through a modest spark so the baby pumping so that then the generator can't even start. Meanwhile, no jadi kusoshi. Obi taxi jina why she a fire service from a car. Taxi ni jina where she and the they want to extinguish that fire. It's like and you see what Jesus the cry is not moving forward. And I'm saying, say, if the person is doing the job because of manly salary, there is no way to put a life on the risk to be near that fire. That's the reason why I was doing a yeah. So Ghana Fire Service there, I don't know. Now this one was very fun to make. I won't lie. And I was the final second story of this video. Maybe I as you be a dinner. And wakwa kwana ma enu wadum akwatwi kotokuro crocodile market and odidi gadechi na Ghana for that bumbu live te wo de video ne ana cha ana sinama tawo okay.
Hey, now where the mommy job now where the son what the gun way. And a guy no way. ana sa sa na una say anya da sa no bia do yire kra da sika na ya de ba ah wa police ni na guy no way
now we are watching the video no me tell you obi acho yira we na consensually I assume what you say now we no wa fa kotokuro di akwakwa sia nu okurum police for gina ho wo si there be still now I must cut this guy up and say me hwe me enti aba ni kodi onu momachi instead of me so we the people there be think about this so we yire mfo aho enough so be kodi ni pa afra akwakoda die na kire so kwatwe se kan de ko hotwetwa ni pa na o yire ne konkope di pa afro it looks like common sense to me. Now how can you just trick otokuro machete? Yeah. So the kwa kwa obi a wari o yire kotwitwa. Na sana kana for me. Well, I was here. It is what it is. Where the Ghana stories ni be bauti ana fe de. Utim twino was into the usual Ghanaian man no. Ata da do mo bi ni ma ye omo ye omo tena se plane and as a banitim wom cause no exam go ya dey way. How can you just now where's your police for so you do go police station? One share here you will land yourself into trouble. And as an can you stop on almost stop on and kokoko yes say. What akotwe se kan dey kwa kutwa agoi. And as an ka kwalo so kotwin bibi ti se tu a. Now busia forget about mumami enu kra. There are people around. It's not like wakwa konan wo one corner bi obi ani wo. And I'm not saying it's a kokono obi or one corner obi ani ho. Yeah, I'm just making a point. Abusia, so that is that. It just say oh my God, now we shedding. Now fire service here we na sa man for so a yari omo yere no omo su twitwa man for there. Na ne okon na no edin. Kono go ntimi nkon. Wo be sure ho dem. Episode was brought to you by AB Express. AB Express your number one website abusia betimi akọ to Africa no ma bi a ohia, especially Ghana no ma. Yeah, for the show video in the video no.
Video let us say. The more kwababa abexpress.com. abexpress.com the media yeah mo. I got a phone near Benina, near Pop one near the other abexpress.com. And then I will be free Ghana and Africa. And Pop one Saturday. Can tell me now open out your dada who a party asiana. Bibi you abexpress.com. Ya de Pop one ya manu ya de brewo abexpress.com. Ya de mu Avenia, and Diana Washington, who were Europe abroad today, and now America, Australia, no one, that's Asia now. That be our Wobia, in Slokra, and one is on BabyExpress.com. Now, your Washington was Sabeka, AbbyExpress.com, where they end your mo, AbbyExpress.com, where they papa, AbbyExpress.com. Yeah, the Ghana and 12
So yeah, Buzia, that is that. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to your YouTube channel and click on the man to say new video be and buy another second. So we meet again, Buzia. Adios.